welcome to another video. So this time I decided during the winter break that my 2-car garage was actually better served as a large 1-car garage. My lift is situated in what I call Bay 1, and then the rest of my clutter seems to end up in what I call Bay 2. Such miscellaneous items as engines, stoves, alloys and a smattering of other parts from projects long gone. I decided to take a trip down to my local Halfords and get some of these clipped together shelving units. I plan on bolting them to the wall, using them as a bit of extra bench space, but more importantly, somewhere to keep everything out of the way. The boarding provided with these Halfords shelves is woefully thin, and my father-in-law very kindly offered me some 22mm plyboard. This is a short video of the process that I went through and how I think it makes a lot better use of the space. Sit back and enjoy.
You take me